Imagine soaring through the skies, virtually invisible to radar. Welcome to the fascinating world of stealth technology. It's not just stuff of science fiction, but a reality used in military aviation. Stealth at its core is all about reducing visibility to enemies. This is achieved in two key ways. First, by designing aircrafts with edges and flat surfaces called facets to scatter radar waves. Second, by coating aircrafts with radar-absorbent materials to swallow up signals. But it's not foolproof. Weather, flight maneuvers, even birds can reveal a stealth aircraft's location. And while it's primarily used in military aviation, who knows what the future holds? Maybe one day we'll all be flying stealth. Until then, keep your eyes on the skies. You never know what might be hiding up there.